Prime Minister Andrew Holness is talking tough about the government's plan to dismantle gangs and rid the country of guns. Speaking at the annual Police Federation conference recently, Mr. Holness called for the country to unite in the fight against dons. TVJ's Anthony Lugg explains.
Gun crime spiraling, so too the fear among citizens. And Prime Minister Andrew Holness argues it must be addressed. But how? The Prime Minister pointed to three threats the country is currently facing with regards to crime.
Dons, gangs, and guns.
These aren't new, and they're issues the country has been grappling with for decades. However, many believe it has gotten worse.
Dons feel that they can recruit, organize, plan, and execute their criminal enterprise without fear of interdiction. They feel that we are crippled by our own laws.
He pointed specifically to the stand the government has taken on the use of force policy and the pace of police investigations. Mr. Holness says new legislations are coming to help.
They feel that, well, if they get caught, they just need to get a good lawyer. And if they get arrested, they may very well get off. And if they get a term in prison, they can probably still run their criminal enterprise from prison. This business of the dons must be addressed. And government policy needs to be crafted along with legislation to place those dons on a watch list where they know that we are watching them and that we can put control orders in place for them.
Even if this legislation was crafted, it would take some time to work. And that's why the Prime Minister wants Jamaicans to help by changing their mindset.
It is time that the country changes its mindset, because the dons are not Robin Hood. They are robbing your neighborhood. They are robbing you of your freedom. They are robbing you of your daughters. They are robbing you of your well-being and your economic welfare. And those who are in the force that chummy with them, hang out with them, give them special privileges, work for them, that must stop.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.